Hey y'all, so I am about to head back in the house, but I'm going to do a prank on my mom. Guys, are you ready? That I'm gonna prank her and tell her that I hit her car while backing out, so in the driveway. So we're gonna see how this goes. My mom is no fool. Like, she can like flat out point things out. Hopefully, you know, she can, like, I don't know. Hopefully this prank go well, but we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead. I'm about to go ahead and get inside the house right now so we can see how this goes. I'm gonna set up so she can like not see how I'm gonna set up my camera. So hopefully she gets the prank. But before I do anything else, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. I'm super excited to see how this is gonna play out guys. I'm super excited. All right, you ready? Okay. So my mom is giving Pharaoh a bath, so I'm gonna try to hide my camera in like a place where she's not gonna notice, so I can like do this prank, you guys. I don't know if this prank will work, but I'm like super like, I don't know. Hopefully this goes out. Hopefully this prank goes all out, guys. Okay. Hey guys, okay. She's about to come out. Okay. So I'm still waiting, you guys, for her to come out the bathroom. I think they're about to come out. Okay.
eulliar.com, the award-winning online early learning academy for kids ages 2 through 8.
It's incredible that different ages, different personalities, all three of my children love ABC Mouse.
After using ABC Mouse, he has this passion for learning and he just wants to know everything.
abcmouse.com has a full online curriculum with over 850 lessons and 9,000 fun-filled learning activities, all in a simple step-by-step learning path designed by educators to support and strengthen what your child will learn in school.
I've been teaching for 13 years and I've never seen a program like ABC Mouse. It gives us self-confidence.
Alright guys, they're about to come out from the bathroom, so hopefully this goes all out good. Okay.
What's poppin'?
Hi.
There you go.
Hello. Hey baby Bobby, I gotta tell you something. Hey, how are you? I missed you. So, Mommy, something happened outside.
What?
I didn't hit your car.
For real? Lord Jesus. Where?
In the front when I was backing in.
Oh, Lord. For real?
Huh?
For real?
Yeah, go check it out.
Lord.
Wait, come here.
What?
Yeah, I was like paying attention and I was backing out and then it was like a glare from like one of the cars. It was just a light tap.
No.
But wait, come here. Can I go downstairs and check and see? Yeah, go ahead. Here, let me go get my shoes out. You want me to cut the light on for you?
I guess so. You bring your flashlight. Give me the flashlight.
What?
Give me the flashlight.
Wait, I gotta go get it.
To your phone. She claims she hit my car. Hers.
Wait, I didn't hit your car.